Hello there. Normally I'm not in the top of the flat filler, but on February 7th we have our annual workshop and we're going to be talking about peat moss and soil and how important the different ingredients are that are in peat moss. You're going to learn about this from the premier peat moss company. We've contacted them and they've graciously agreed to be here and teach us all about soil. How tight to pack it, what's the right moisture content, all these wonderful things that you need to know to grow a quality crop. Let me show you what else we're going to be learning, teaching you. The trays that we fill with this machine have different sizes. We fill 512s all the way up to 12-inch hanging baskets. But what's the right way to fill a tray? And how tight does it have to be compacted? And what do you need to watch for when you fill small trays like this? I'm going to teach all of you that on February 7th, this Thursday. Hope to see you there. Bye.